Today I'm going to talk about the database types. The definition of database type is a database is an organized collection of data. It is the collection of schemas, tables, queries, reports, views, and other objects. The data is typically organized to model aspects of reality in a way that supports process requiring information. What is database management system? It is a computer software application that interacts with the user, other applications, and the database itself to capture and analyze data. General purpose. The general purpose of database management system are to meet the needs of as many applications as possible, which adds to the complexity. The history of database. A database technology has been an active research topic since the 1960s, both in academic and in the research and development group of companies. There are six important events in the history of database management system. The first one is in 1960s, the Navigational Database Management System. Second one is in 1970s, Relational Database Management System. Third one is Integrated Approach. Fourth one is 1980s on the desktop. Fifth one is 1990s, the object-oriented. The last one is 2000s, NoSQL and New SQL. In 1960s, Navigational Database Management System. The term represented a contrast with the tape-based system of the past, allowing shared interactive use rather than daily batch processing. The 1970s Relational Database Management System. A linked list system, will be very efficient when storing sparse databases where some of the data for any one record could be left empty. Later 1970s, the SQL Database Management System. Stonebarkers went on to apply the lessons from Ingalls to develop a new database, Postgres, which is now known as PostgreSQL. The PostgreSQL is often used for global mission-critical applications. In 1980s, on the desktop. In 1980s, you shared in the age of desktop computing. The new computers empowered their user with spreadsheets like Plutus 123 and database software like DBase was lightweight and easy for any computer user to understand out of the box. In 1990s, object-oriented described the inconveniences of translating between programmed object and database tables, providing an object-oriented language, sometimes as extensions to SQL, that programmers can use as alternative to purely relational SQL. The last one is 2000s NoSQL and New SQL. NoSQL databases are often very fast, do not require fixed table schemas, avoid join operations by storing denormalized data, and are designed to scan horizontally. The new SQL is a class of modern relational databases that arm to provide the same scalable performance of NoSQL system for online transactions processing workloads, while still using SQL and maintaining the ACID guarantees of a traditional database system. There are also different types of database. For example, a cloud database relies on cloud technology. Both the database and most of its database management system reside remotely in the cloud, while its applications are both developed by programmer and later maintained and utilized by end user through a web browser and open APIs. Another example is a graph database. It is a kind of NoSQL database that uses graph structures with nodes, edges, and properties to represent and store information. General graph databases that can store any graph and distinct from specialized graph databases such as triple stores and network databases. A last example is an ephemeral database. It is a database that primarily resides in main memory, but is typically backed up by non-volatile computer data storage. Main memory databases are faster than disk databases, and so are often used where response time is critical, such as in telecommunications network equipment. In, in the future, people believe the database management will have these advantages. For example, the size will be fit in anywhere, and everyone is the winner in this database management. Here are the results for my presentation. Thank you.